Hey everybody, Sean here. Guys, I'm sorry. I promised to live stream with this 8088 build, and I'm going through a lot right now, and I failed you guys. If you want to know a little more about what's going on in my life, head over to my random videos channel. I will link it in the community tab on this channel. I promise y'all I will show y'all the power up as it stands. I mean, it's not going to do much because I don't have the USB plugged in, but here you go. It's a little bit PO'd because the I don't have the USB plugged in. Guys, I'm so sorry I didn't get to live stream this.